Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. What a week it has been for XRP and the entire XRP community. Let's kick this off. We've got quite a bit to cover off, so let's get right to it. There's an interesting glitch that has been happening, and it's not the first time that this has happened, but there was recently in the last 24 hours, a glitch happened in the XRP coin spot and coin market cap and everything about the volume. And if we look over here where it's got a little box with the red, it's got $16 trillion of volume in the last 24 hours. And then this happened, and then it happened on a number of exchanges, then it quickly changed back. So really, really fascinating. I mean, are they telling us something? Is there something that we don't know? Is the whole system about to be switched on for instant liquidity? Who knows? What I do know is that it does sound very, very bullish. And so for the XRP community around the world, this is kind of like what it's been feeling like, after 3.5 years of bear market. This is literally the current mood that, people around the world are at. And so it's fantastic to see. So it looks like we are in the sixth stage of for XRP from a time frame point of view, and that's what Raphael Ken was mentioning on Twitter. And let's see. I mean, let's see where we're going. I mean, I think the all-time high will be broken next week. That I'll just say it out right now, like at the beginning of the video. I think we are going to see an all-time high from XRP next week. That is something that I'm mentioning right now. And it's something that Jeannie mentioned as well on Twitter, is that in case you hadn't noticed, if we hold this price on the weekly, there is literally no resistance left, and the price of XRP is ready to fly. So what it's saying is, after this, if it holds here, there is no resistance, and so it's ready to go and ready to bounce like crazy. And if we look back in 2018 when it first did its leg up, very similar to what happened back then. So do I believe $2 is around the corner? Yes, I do. Do I believe that the glitch in that particular volume means something? Yes. I don't know exactly what that means yet, but I don't believe it's a mistake. That's for sure. Now, from a news point of view, XRP has broken out, and so what are the next price targets? And so in this article talks a little bit about it, but just as it speaks about it here, so basically without boring you too much, it's saying after $1.24, next push is $1.62, and if it breaks $1.62, it's going to $2.48. And so I think potentially as this video goes live, or within hours of this video going live, we could see that $1.62 being hit. And I believe next week we will see 248, and then we can come back to this video and see how close or how right I was. Again, that's not the first time that the glitch has happened. Look at this other glitch that occurred yesterday as well. So you can see everyone else's volume is in the billions, and then you can see XRP's trading volume in the trillions. So again, it was a glitch because it has changed back again, but I think it's just the start of what is about to happen. And a lot of people in the community, in the crypto community, are now saying, will we see a day that Ripple overtakes Bitcoin? And it's a pretty big, bold statement, and something that I am not prepared to debate right now. I think, we need to appreciate what has been happening, appreciate everything that is going on at the moment in the XRP community, and the price rise that we've had, and the volume that we have right now. But to say that, XRP will overtake Bitcoin, that is a statement that I am not ready to make. So, so basically around the world, everybody noticed it and started to question, what's with that? Now, if we look at TradingView, we can see that where the price is at right now and where it's going and how fast it's rising. And it's kind of like, an amazing rise that we've had. And from a technicals point of view, TradingView is mentioning that it is a strong buy. So regardless of how much it's already pumped, it's saying this thing is a buy, so get on it. Now, we saw this, so we saw already, this has already happened, so it's broken the $1.46. It's retraced a little bit now, but it has broke, it got to that already, so that this chart is already obsolete. Now, where do we go from here? So obviously we've had a massive couple of days, and so what I think is going to happen is we're going to touch $2. At $2, there is going to be some very, very strong resistance and a pullback. And that pullback could take us back to $1 or maybe not even 90 cents. And that will be the trigger where a lot of people that don't understand about XRP will sell. At $2, they're out of here. $2 USD, by the way. They're going to be out of here. They're going to see the pullback, and then the XRP haters are going to come back saying, "Oh, look at you guys, you lost $1 today in volume, blah blah blah," before it re-begins its bull run, goes past 2.5, and then reaches $3 all-time high. And I think this is just all within a week. So by this time next week, we're going to be sitting at $3. And if we look at XRP versus Bitcoin and XRP US dollar, where are we heading? Like I mentioned, next stop is $2.50, breaking the $2.50. And based on XRP versus Bitcoin and XRP versus the US dollar, a $5 XRP is absolutely not out of the question at all. And like I mentioned, it's not going to be today, it's not going to be tomorrow, but by July, I think we will see that regardless of the SEC or not. So it's an amazing, amazing time to be part of the XRP community. Next week, this is what I think is going to happen. We've now found this support at, that before we broke out and went crazy past $1 and $1.40. We may trace back a little bit at the beginning, but we're certainly going for that $3, $3.30. I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that by this time next week, we would have broken the previous all-time high. And so while the party has started for XRP, and welcome to the show. For those of you that have been patient and have been waiting for a long time, your patience has been rewarded, as we told you it would be. The amount of messages that I've received saying, "Oh my God, it's actually happened. I cannot believe it. How did you know?" It's like, we've been telling you this for years, that this day will come, and it's come, which is great. But don't sell early. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you that there is way more to come. If we look at, that was wave 1, wave 2, which lasted a long time. But wave 3 will already see us go to $5, $6, $7. Wave 4 will retrace back to 5 before we push for 9 and beyond. So what a great time to be a part of XRP. If you've been on the sidelines thinking about it, there is a lot more to come. So don't be scared that it's just gone past $1 to $1.40, because this thing's going to $10 and beyond. And one day, I will start that debate. Will XRP ever overtake Bitcoin? Just not today. Thank you all so much. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Look forward to see you on the next one.